Dear students, so let us know about the noun and types of noun. So we know that a noun is a naming word. It is name of a person, animal, place, or thing. It may also name of a feeling or an idea. Mr. John, person, and like this, deer, animal, and Lucknow, a place, and desk, a thing, and pain, a feeling. So these things include in noun. So to find out the noun, three WH words: who, whom, what can help us. A noun can be subject, object, and complement in a sentence. Example: Ram reads a book. So here Ram is noun and book is also noun. He picked a bunch of flowers. So here Ram is subject and book is object and a bunch of flower is complement. So noun can be treated as subject, object, and complement of the sentence. So kinds of noun. Mostly there are five kinds of noun. First is proper noun, second is common noun, third is collective noun, and fourth is material noun, and fifth one is abstract noun. So let us know the proper noun. So it's a name of particular person or thing. It's include the names of person, villages, countries, cities, town, rivers, ships, historical places, mountains, streets, newspapers, books, months of the year, days of the week, festivals, and related to this one rule is proper noun always begins with the capital letters. And example, just as Sunita is a name, Kanpur is a place, Sunday is a day of the week, and January uh, month of uh, a year. So rule 2: generally no article is used before a proper noun, but it is if it denotes the quality of a person, then article an is used. See here example: she finds a ram in her husband. And rules third is if quality of two person is compared, then article the is used. So here one more example is Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. So see here she finds a ram in her husband. So ram is proper noun, but here ram quality is found in husband. So here is a article is used before ram. And in another sentence, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. So here Kalidas is compared with Shakespeare. So the article is used. And common noun: a noun that does not point out any particular person, place, or thing, but it is common to all of the same class or kind, is called common noun. And just like example, fruits, girls, book, table, students. And rule 1: before common noun, article an must be used if it is in singular number. And example is a boy should respect a teacher. So here boy is common noun and teacher is common noun, and both are in singular, so a article is used. And another one example: boys should respect teachers. So before boys is in plural and teachers is in plural, so there is no any article. So rule 2: if common noun is very well known to the speaker, article the is used. Just like I saw a man reading a book, then the man was in black and the book. Here I, the speaker, is well known with the man and the book. Book was in English. Here speaker is I is well known with man and book. And then collective noun, it stands for a collection of persons of things and considered as one complete whole. Just like example as bouquet, bunch, team, fleet, army, flock, herd, and rule 1. However, collective nouns refer to multiple individuals. They still function as singular. They refer to one thing or the group as a whole. So let us know about material noun. Material noun stand for a matter or substance of which things are made. And example just this sari made of silk, and another one is your shirt is made of cotton, and third one is this ring is made of gold, and fourth. Related to this one rule is there. No an article is used before material noun. And rule 2, there is no plural of material noun, or s or es is added to a material noun to make a plural. So another one is abstract noun. So here abstract noun is the names of some state, quality, feeling, or idea that we can only think or feel, but cannot see or touch. We can feel but cannot see or touch. One example is there, and some examples are here. Strength, beauty, kindness, poverty. We can't touch or see these, but we can feel only. So comparison of common noun and proper noun. Let us know what comparison we can say. Here, she has a pen. She has a pen. So it is common. Pen is common for all pen. And she has a Parker. It is a particular pen. Parker pen. She reads a book. Book is common. But she reads the Gita. Gita is particular book. And third one, he is a boy. It is common boy. But he is Mohan. So Mohan is particular name. So countable, what is countable and uncountable noun? Let us know what is countable and uncountable noun. Countable noun that can be counted in numbers and can be made plural by adding s or es. हम इसका plural बना सकते हैं es लगा करके. And uncountable noun that cannot be counted in number and cannot be made plural by adding s, es. Uncountable noun do not have plural form. Generally it is abstract, material, proper noun. Uncountable noun may be abstract, material, and proper noun. So some formation of nouns to verbs. From verbs, some verbs are given here, and using verbs how we can make nouns. Here is develop is verb. So adding ment suffix we can make noun. Is develop, development, ment is suffix. Discuss, discussion, ion suffix. Relax, relaxation. And arrive, arrival, al suffix. And teach, teacher, er suffix. And invent, inventor, or suffix. And assist, assistant, ant suffix. So adding after this word we can make noun using verb. So here another one. Here is attend, attendance, an c suffix is there. Educate, education, tion suffix. Decide, decision, sion suffix. And pack, package, az suffix. And bake, bakery, ery suffix. Appoint, appointee, double e suffix. And tour, tourist, ist suffix. Beg, beggar, ar suffix. Buy, buyer, er suffix. Act, actor, or suffix. These are verbs. Choose, choose, twice, ic suffix. And hate, hated, red suffix. And formation of nouns from verbs, some more. Laugh, laughter, er suffix. Obey, obedience, enc suffix. Know, knowledge. L is DZ is suffix, defend, defendant, and ANT suffix, grow, growth, TH suffix, discover, discovery, Y is suffix, proceed, procedure, U R E suffix. And from some adjectives we can make nouns. So here are some adjectives, and happiness using ness suffix. Possible is adjective, and possibility is noun. So ity suffix, human humanity, ity suffix, wide width, th suffix, honest honesty, y suffix, brave bravery, ry suffix, safe safety, ty suffix, and more adjective are here, active activist, ist suffix, young younger, youngster, str suffix, hardship, sip sip suffix, innocent innocence, enc suffix, wise wisdom, dom suffix, private privacy, cy suffix. So except these nouns, some verbs that treat just like noun, and that are non-finite verbs. Some non-finite verb like infinitive and gerund also treat like noun in spite of being one kind of verb. So in next video we will read about this. So thank you for watching my video.